So we just got this in the mail, Trimm. It's called the Lite. It's a little GPS unit. We are going to unbox this and take it for a ride. This video will just be the unboxing, my first impressions, and then we will get this bad boy on the bike on the road. Let's see what you're getting here. This is claimed to be, I think, a 50-hour battery life. That's pretty impressive. That's pretty impressive. Okay, so we are filming today on the Sony FX3, and this is the little bad boy here. We have, this is what's in it. You've got a user manual, and then we have the GPS unit here. Inside we have, okay, the weight is, it feels very light. Wow, that's light. That is light. We'll get the scales out. Let's get the scales out. Okay, so we've got the scales, they're trusty, and let's have a look here. 59 grams, 60 grams. So that's very light, and it's a big screen as well. This is my control unit here. We use this one for a lot of tests and reviews. It's Brighton 330. I like this. How much does it weigh? Baby face, hey. And we have 67 grams. Wow. So it does have a little case on there, but it's a bit heavier than the Brighton 330. So that is interesting, and it's, you know, a lot bigger. Okay, so this has been my favorite unit for the last 5 years, Brighton 330. I still rate this. And now this, you know, it's lighter than a bigger screen. So a bigger screen just makes it easier to sort of look at things. Okay, so that's that. And the head unit, it looks, okay, so it's like a Garmin Brighton style mount, and this is like a solar charger. Let's pull this out and have a better look. Okay, so this is the out front. It feels very light. Damn, that's good. We like lightweight stuff. It feels strong as well though, like pretty strong. Okay, so the mount is 23 grams. Okay, so this is like a Garmin style mount, which is great. I like that because then you can, if you've already got mounts on other bikes, like I have got about 40 bikes, I can just, you know, don't have to put a new mount on the bike. I can choose your old one. So this will fit your Garmin and your Brighton mounts, you know. So that's good. We like that. We like that they're reusing some tech. Yeah, it makes a lot of sense. Otherwise, it's just more stuff people have to buy. All right. So the mounts, that's good. I like that. This works with Garmin and Brighton. So this is a pro. Let's turn this bad boy on and have a look. This is the only bit of plastic really in your bag. So this is really good. They've minimized the plastic usage, and make sure you tear those in half so it doesn't get caught on a penguin's neck. So it's cardboard for recycling, cardboard, and you can reuse these plastic bags. So this is good. They've done minimal plastic, and this is the charging thing. Okay, so that's where I think straight away, you know, we could do different. Is you would do a USB port, but maybe it's lighter weight by having this sort of port on there. So that's, you know, make sure you don't lose this one, otherwise you'll be charging with. Oh, then again, okay, here we go. If you do lose the charger, you're just going to charge your solar power, aren't you? There you go. That's really interesting. A solar powered GPS unit. So there you go. That is a nice, firm, secure attachment. It does feel good. It's like magnetic, and this is going to be in the sun here. Today's winter, and we'll see if it turns itself. Oh, here we go. Oh, wow, look at that. It's charging. It's charging. That's really cool. Okay, so even on a winter's day, you can see that, you know, we have a little bit of sun, not so much. You know, a bit of cloud cover, but still is going to charge. Oh, turn it upside down. So there you go. I'm digging this. I have to do a setup. Okay, I have to do the setup, the scanning and stuff like that. But my first impressions are good. They're positive. This is going to be good for the bike packing market, etc. It's very light, and even this little charger here, that's light as well. All right, so it's you know, let's have a look at the combined weight. This is really cool. Imagine that, not having to charge your GPS unit when you're bike packing, and it's got maps as well. So combined weight 73 grams. All right, 73 grams. Add in this, and you're talking, 95 grams. That's very, very, very respectable for the charger, the unit, and the out front bracket. It definitely lives up to the name, the One Lite. That's really good. All right, we're gonna get this bad boy started up. Today's just an unboxing, and we're just gonna suss it out here. But so far, so good. The cat's not too sure, but I am thinking this is a good little unit there, and kudos for them using minimal plastic. All right, so I'll have a read of the instructions, and we'll get this bad boy in the road, and we'll do a full in-depth review video. So the instructions are pretty good. We're just going to go on the app here, and we're going to install the Trimm Cycling Center. We're going to install the app, and that's what you need to do to get this bad boy running. But otherwise, the instructions are pretty good. They're in good English. This has been well done. If you've used one of these items before, let me know down below. What did you think? For me, so far, first impressions, good, lightweight, and minimal packaging. I'm a fan so far. So I generally find these sort of things quite awkward to do, but this one was pretty straightforward. You just turn your phone, Bluetooth on, open up the Trimm Cycling Center, turn on your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your phone, and then you press these two buttons, and it gives you a number, and then it says over here, pair, and you press yes, and then it's just doing its thing. So that was pretty straight setup. With Wahoo, etc., I've always had problems. But this one, first go, I got it. Again, I'm not, I may be a professional YouTuber for the last 14 years, but when it comes to tech stuff, I'm pretty clueless. So it's good that this is pretty straightforward, because I'm really not very tech, not much of a tech person. I'm more of a does it work person. Does it work good person? Is this the best I can get sort of person? That's what I am. So I appreciate that people make this tech stuff easy for people like me who just want to get out and ride.